Take the door off from hinges and set on edge with the handle facing upwards. Measure 2 inches from the edge and mark the location of the magnet. Use a 1-inch spade drill bit to make a hole with a depth of 0.8 inches. Place the magnet in the hole and install the striker plate to cover it. Install the door on the hinges. Mark pin location on the floor. Using 9/16 drill bit, make a hole with a depth of 2 inches. Fill the hole with a small amount of clear silicone. Insert the sleeve into the hole along with the pin. Test the door to make sure that everything is working correctly. Thank you for choosing our product. We have worked hard to create a product of good quality and at an affordable price. We hope that you will be satisfied with your purchase.